Welcome to the Rustic Design Minute.
Now, for those who love to entertain, corbels can be turned into one-of-a-kind wine rack. Attach a few corbels to the wall and slide your wine bottles in between them. It's an eye-catching way to store your wine collection. Next! Why not use corbels to make your entryway more inviting? Mount a few corbels on the wall and attach hooks to them. This creates a unique and practical spot to hang your keys, bags, and scarves. Next! Add a touch of shabby chic to your bathroom by using corbels as towel holders. Attach the corbels to the wall. It's an interesting and stylish way to keep your towels organized. Next! Last but not least, you can use corbels to elevate your bedroom aesthetic. Attach corbels to the wall behind your bed and drape fabric or fairy lights over them, creating a beautiful and cozy headboard. All right, guys, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Next! She keeps looking at me. You're ugly. Here's a tip for those who love to cook, and that's not me.